Dell here, and we've had such a long, dry winter, and I say dry in that it has a drying effect on the skin. So in our search for moisturizers, we've come across another one, Dermalogica, and there's the tube, and let's see, this is there, and that's open. We'll see if it has one of those seals. It does not, so it's ready to go. See what it smells like. A little bit of odor, and I'm told that this is a face cream, but I'm thinking that you know, maybe a cream in general, but
probably take off your glasses and
take off the glasses,
get the whole face going.
And we'll get the whole face going. So again, this is for everybody. You're outside shoveling snow or in the wind and the rain and the cold rain and so forth, and it just does a number on it. Maybe in summer you might not be so critical, but this is the deal here. There it is. Doesn't smell bad. It's got a slight odor to it, a slight pleasing odor to it. Scent, I guess you would call it.
Put it underneath your beard, too.
Underneath there.
Within your beard, that skin on your cheeks,
Okay.
that also gets dry. You can't forget about that.
So, it's kind of a small tube.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like you might be using it, but it does spread far. It spreads nice and far.
How long does it last?
Well, that's what I'm thinking. It might not last that long, but
A couple days, maybe.
yeah, it doesn't recommend like that other one recommended like 72 hours, and this doesn't. So at any rate, this might be something that is more of a wintertime thing, but you never know. So, and this name, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. Dermalogica. So there it is. It feels like it's working. It feels like it might be a good thing. So just a reminder that some of you out there might have a need for this.